cooking Thanksgiving dinner for the very first time in my entire life. Okay, this big old pan or pot, whatever you want to call it, it's huge. So thank God I have it. I got it from Bellington, and then I never really use it. I take the whole stove, like that's how big it is. My daughter was just playing with it. So I'm just gonna use it to clean my turkey. My turkey was not that big. It's like a medium sized one. And so I'm just gonna like, you're gonna see the whole process. So just follow along. And but most of the stuff I'm cooking, I found the recipe on TikTok or YouTube. But the turkey, I know how to cook a turkey. But this year, I decided to follow this trend that I see that people use orange juice. So I bought a gallon of orange juice so I can put in there and leave it overnight. So the process, the whole lime thing is more like Caribbean and stuff. Okay, well, let's fast forward this and move on to the next meal or step. finally the moment she's been waiting for. She's been waiting to cook the corn casserole because I took forever to like finish up with all these different meal inside. I was cooking all by myself, except I get a little help from her.
And we're making corn casserole.
For the first time.
Yeah. My mommy said it's yummy.
I only try it once.
Pwede na kukunin na.
Which one should I choose? No, you can put, it doesn't matter. You just put whatever you want. That's a lot.
Oh! Oh!
That's a lot of stuff.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Let's just mix this up.
Yeah.
So much corn.
Mix
Okay,
it.
let's mix up all the corn. Mix up the corn husk and the corn. Yeah. Oh my god. Whoa. I think we put way too much corn.
No, that's the amount you're supposed to put.
Oh, then we just need a bigger bowl.
Yeah, it's the bowl that's like. We need something. I'm gonna use this instead. Here, we can use this one. Now we need. Try to mix it.
Hi, Chewy. Chewy smells it. He's like, give me some. Give me some. Hello.
I'm gonna add some salt.
Okay. Guys, look. Look at that stuff. Look at these stuff. Sorry. Look at that. Yeah. So,
We gotta add some sugar.
sugar, sugar, sugar. Ooh, yeah, lots of sugar. Lots of sugar.
Wait, there's something else we need to add.
Sugar, 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 sugar.
Melted butter.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's like so watery. It looks so watery. We gotta add this. The cream cheese.
Yeah. One more. One more.
Oh.
There you go. You gotta crack it open and then just mix it around. Side. I can't wait to try it. I wanna put whipped cream on top
Yeah. On top?
when it's cooked.
I don't think I have whipped cream.
Oh yeah, we didn't buy that.
You think I should add more creamy cheese?
I don't know. Daddy, look. Hello. Hello, Daddy.
You think I should add more sugar?
Sugar. Sugar, 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 sugar,
What's
sugar.
this? That's it.
Put it on fire.
I wanna try.
No, oh, this? Oh, I did mashed potato, yes. Good, okay. Now we gotta put it in the baking.
Why pas une pour trois solo là? Pour sauce?
Yeah?
I bet it's better. Open box.
Oh. Eu vou ver. Eu vou lembrar lá, vai ver.
Non, je acheté online. On fait. Ça t'est cool.
This bowl's kind of bigger than that one, but let's see if it will fit in the first place.
I can dump it.
Yeah, I'm gonna push it.
Oh, it fit. Okay.
chunky. What chunky? Oh, yes, this is chunky. This is chunky. This is chunky.
That's a big ball.
Chunky, 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 chunky.
What is that?
We're making
Cornbread.
corn castle.
Yeah.
Mommy had it at her cousin's place and she sent it to me. Ew! Okay, there, it's perfect. I'm gonna throw it in the oven actually. And I'm eating dessert right now. So I'm gonna be trying out the corn corsal. Okay, and let's grab this. Mmm. 9.9.9.9 out of 10.
It's good.